1-ton to 25-ton overhead cranes for sale, key factors, and price estimates in China. When you're looking to buy an overhead crane, you'll notice that prices can vary widely. Understanding the key factors that influence the price will help you make an informed decision. Whether you need a light-duty crane or something more heavy-duty, let's walk through the factors that affect overhead crane pricing and give you an idea of the price ranges for 1-ton to 25-ton cranes in China. What affects the price of an overhead crane? Several key factors determine how much you'll pay for an overhead crane. First, lifting capacity is the biggest factor. The heavier the crane needs to lift, the higher the cost. A 1-ton crane is far less expensive than a 25-ton crane because larger cranes require more robust components. Next, there's the span. This refers to the width the crane must cover. A larger span means the crane must be more powerful and complex, which increases the price. Another factor is lifting height. The higher the crane needs to lift, the more advanced and expensive the design. Girder type is also important. Single girder cranes are less costly and suited for lighter tasks, while double girder cranes are designed for heavier duties and cost more. Have custom features like special hoists, motors, or protective covers for outdoor environments. Customization can add to the overall price. Also, power supply and control systems matter. More advanced systems usually mean a higher price due to better efficiency and performance. Finally, export versus domestic versions. Cranes built for export, especially those that meet international standards like CE or ISO, tend to be pricier than those made for the local market. Estimated price ranges for 1-ton to 25-ton overhead cranes in China. Now let's look at the price ranges for single girder and double girder cranes with lifting capacities from 1 ton to 25 tons. Single girder overhead cranes, 1 to 25 tons, $2,200 to $4,000. 2-ton, $2,500 to $4,008. 3-ton, $2,600 to $4,001. 5-ton, $3,000 to $4,150. 10-ton, $4,000 to $4,500. 16-ton, $5,000 to $4,800. 20-ton, $6,000 to $5,000. 25-ton, $8,000 to $1,600. Directly. Double girder overhead cranes, 1 to 25 tons. 1 ton, $4,000 to $60,000. 2 ton, $4,500 to $62,000. 3 ton, $5,000 to $66,000. 5,800 to $72,000. 10 ton, $6,500 to $79,000. 16,800 to $86,000. 20 ton, $8,600 to $95,000. 25 ton, $9,800 to $110,000. Again, these are approximate ranges. Prices may fluctuate based on your requirements and the current market. Get your custom quote today.